Leather boat shoes are some of the toughest to maintain because they're constantly around salty water, which ruins your leather's look with ugly water spots. Most people assume that life near the beach or weekends at the port have already taken a toll, but they're wrong. There is hope, and I've got a solution that will entirely change the way you care for your leather boat shoes, transforming them from this to this in under 5 minutes. Hey guys, my name's Evan and I'm here to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. With my 3 C's treatment, you can bring your boat shoes back to life just like these. Let's get to it. Step 1, remove the laces. Just like with any leather care routine, you want full access to the leather so you can clean it properly and make sure you don't miss any hidden grime. Plus, leather laces need love too, and we'll be conditioning those separately. Next, grab a horsehair brush and give the entire shoe a dry brushing. This is crucial because dirt and salt can actually scratch your leather if you jump straight to rubbing, even using a soft microfiber cloth to remove the debris. And make sure to be thorough, as leaving any dirt can cause scratching when you clean or premature aging down the line. Now we're going in with Leather Honey's Suede and Nubuck Cleaner. Apply a generous amount of foam to the horsehair brush and work it into the leather using small circular motions. This is going to lift stains and deep set dirt while preserving the leather's natural texture. And for best results, clean areas 2 to 3 times while wiping off excess in between so dirt and debris that was lifted doesn't grind back into the leather and scratch it. Once you're finished cleaning, it's vitally important to allow your leather to fully dry. Never put your leather to dry in direct sunlight or too close to a heat source, as this can cause your leather to shrink and become brittle and then even crack. Leather should never be drenched or soaked and then left alone, as this can cause mold to grow and cause your leather to stink and decompose. So simply remove as much moisture as possible with a dry cloth and leave it at room temperature or under indirect sunlight for best results. Now, a lot of people take care of the outside of their leather footwear, but I often see them fail to clean the inside, but not today. Follow the exact same steps for the insole, and if it's removable, take it out and clean it for better access. Be thorough and ensure that any built-up grime that has been compressed is wiped off and removed. This is going to reduce odors, increase comfort, and ensure your insoles last longer. As always, let your insoles fully dry before wearing. Now for the part that most people miss. Shoe trees maintain the shape, whereas left alone, sag, crease, and prematurely look old. And if you're embarrassed about how stinky your shoes are, cedar shoe trees reduce odors with antimicrobial properties and naturally absorb moisture, which decreases bacteria buildup that causes nasty smells. Now let's talk about the laces. Leather laces dry out just like the shoes themselves, which makes them brittle and prone to breaking when trying to tie your shoes. Take a little bit of Leather Honey conditioner, work it in with your fingers until it fully absorbs. This is going to keep your leather soft and durable. If need be, you're more than welcome to pull out the entire leather lace from your boat shoes, but the front is going to have the most bending and flexing, which is where you need to condition the most. These Sperrys are made from 2 types of leather, nubuck and full grain. Nubuck leather is simply full grain leather sanded down to make a smooth but soft surface, while full grain leather is the full hide and highly durable. Now, it's not against the rules to condition your nubuck with Leather Honey, however, it may change the soft velvety texture. So for this video, I just conditioned the full grain part of these Sperrys and allowed the nubuck cleaner to soften and provide the hydration this nubuck needs. Now, one of the biggest reasons why I choose to use Leather Honey is because it's safe. Not only is it effective and reliable, it's non-toxic, safe to use around the house and pets, and I never have to worry about chemicals absorbing into my skin, unlike other brands. Specifically, their protectant spray is PFOA free, meaning it doesn't contain harmful chemicals that have been linked to health issues like cancer. This makes it a safer choice for you, your family, and your pets. Unlike some of the other brands that may include toxic substances, Leather Honey's formulas are non-toxic and free from forever chemicals, ensuring both effective leather care and peace of mind. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, so grab Leather Honey's nubuck and suede protector, spray from about 6 inches away, ensuring you don't saturate your leather, and then let fully dry. For best results, apply a second coat after the first coat is dry. Guys, your continued support means the world to me, so I've arranged an exclusive discount code for you guys to get 20% off and free shipping at leatherhoney.com. My goal is to bring as much value as possible to this community, so I hope this helps. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you got some value from today's leather care. Would you let us know by giving it a like or sharing the video? And if you don't want to miss a new video, make sure you don't just subscribe, but also hit the bell icon to get notified. Well, I hope I was able to show that caring for your nubuck leather doesn't have to be tricky. And in this next video, I share how cleaning your suede can be a breeze as well. I'll see you over there. Remember to love your leather.